Hello everyone, welcome to today's topic in Plant Science Simplified on reproduction in fungi. Fungal reproduction can be categorized into different types, but today's topic we will be covering only vegetative reproduction, which comprises of fragmentation, fission and budding. Let us learn all the three methods in detailed manner. Fragmentation is nothing but it is the mycelial fragmentation when a fungal mycelium gets separated into pieces, and individual pieces of those fragments can grow into new colonies, and each component grows into a separate mycelium in the later portion. So fungi can easily proliferate using this particular method, which is predominant in lower forms of organisms. Not only fungi, also in algae also in algae this method is very predominant. Fungi being another filamentous type of organism, it prefers this particular mode in more easier manner than other modes. There are some other modes also which are confined to the say unicellular organisms, like fission, which takes where the cell undergoes nuclear division. So as we know that mitotic division takes place, but in fungi we know that the nuclei will be intact even during the mitotic division. There won't be otherwise in higher organisms and all, the nuclear envelope gets dissolved when it enters into the M phase, that is the mitotic phase. But when in the fungi, the nuclear envelope will be intact even during the chromosome segregation, all those activities. And here the cell undergoes under nuclear division and results into the formation of two daughter cells, and these kind of reproductive methods are very common in yeast. Yeast here with the context of not exactly Saccharomyces cerevisiae, but yeast here refers to the unicellular fungi, which is a very general term, non-technical term, which is carried from time immemorial with respect to the fungi are concerned. Another very important method of vegetative reproduction is budding. Budding in yeast is very common and spectacular phenomenon what we can observe. And here the new organisms develop from an outgrowth, or which is called as bud, due to the cell division at specified site. So in a unicellular cell there will be a specified spot which is more prone to become enlarged portion, and through that the bud will emerge. The small bulb like projection coming out from the yeast cell is known as a bud, and that particular phenomenon is very spectacular, and let us observe that particular phenomenon with the help of this particular video. And you can observe that here initially there were two cells, but the first cell is undergoing so many cellular functions like cytoplasmic streaming and all, and there is a projection, a bud is obtained, and there is a distribution of cellular mass in both the contents, and the new daughter cell is getting generated. And in the coming cell also, the nearby cell also, we can observe the similar features of protruding out of the bud. So bulb like projection can be seen, and here we can observe how beautifully the yeast can undergo process called budding. And these are the three very important methods, that is the fragmentation, fission and budding, as the vegetative reproductive methods in fungi. Hope you like my lecture today, and if you like my lecture, please like it, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for listening.